How to disable the sensitive content warning on X on PC. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to disable content warning on X. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for twitter.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Twitter. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in by entering your login credentials. And now to disable the sensitive content warning on X, tap on the More option in the left side toolbar. In the pop-up window that appears, tap on the Settings and Privacy option. You will then see the option for Privacy and Safety. Tap on that. Under the Privacy and Safety tab, tap on the Content You See option. Now go ahead and select the Display Media that may contain sensitive content checkbox, and this is how you can disable the sensitive content warning on X. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.